I think we can do the radio tower repair mission. I don't wanna stay too much in the second map because of the radiation. Later on we could change our perk to have the stalker perk. I think this armor, yes, have a little radiation shield. Okay, let's go. Wow, we are so lucky with the exit point, but not with the weather. There's a boss in this map that is lethal. Okay, now we go more slowly and vigilant. I cannot remember how much wires we need. Okay, I want some sniper experience. Oh! Okay. Mission completed. I try to take only the valuable things. Wow. Bada boom. Okay, I think I can also take the crystals because I don't want to stay here more. I want to go out. Okay. Oh, there's someone here. Bandits. Bandits. One. Oh. Okay, okay. Let's take everything. Empty box. Okay, I can see nothing. I need to go. Okay, okay, okay. Mission accomplished. 2000 is very good. 600 not so much. Also the crystal they are not so good to sell. Okay, for a quick run this was good. Repair gear. Super. Fix the radio tower completed. Let's take some sniper ammo. They are more expensive. Okay. Collect two USB. We have already done it. Radiation effect. Now we can do it. And clear the way is the new challenge. Okay, we have already completed this quest because we have previously take all the stuff. Ok, prendiamo questi che ci saranno molto utili. Super! We are going to sleep and we are ready to go. Okay, now we have also access to the Green Army shop. I don't think we have access to the task, no. Bye bye, guys.